Hi kids, welcome back to Rohita Pawan channel. Today I am going to show you how to make beautiful flowers that are perfect for decorating your home, parties or for gifting. Let's get started. For this DIY we just need very few items. Either you can take paper towels or you can take colored papers, a pencil or a pen and glue stick and a thread. First, take your paper and fold it into quarters as I am showing in the video. Now take a pencil and draw a petal shape on one quarter. Then take a scissor and cut it out. Now take another paper and use this piece as a template to cut out 6 to 8 identical petals as I am showing in the video. Now for the flower center, take another paper towel or a colored paper and roll it into a tight coil and secure it with glue. Like how I am showing in the video, you have to roll it and you have to secure it with a glue. Now start gluing the petals around the center, overlapping slightly to create a natural look. Continue adding layers until the flower looks full and beautiful. Secure it again with the thread. Now let's do another flower in the same way. Oh wow, now we made 2 flowers. Let's make a leaves for it. Wrap the stick with a green paper and tape it. If you are using paper colors, then our flowers are ready. But if you are using paper towel, let's do some painting now. Let's take some watercolors and paint your own flowers in your favorite colors. Now I am doing painting with my favorite pink color. Paint green color to look like a leaves, and then we color the stem with brown to look realistic. And there you have it, your gorgeous DIY paper flowers. These are so easy to make and look stunning anywhere. Our flowers are fully ready now. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. For more creative and interesting videos and for DIYs, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Rohita Pavan channel. See you next time with another amazing video. Bye kids.